Today we're going to talk about how to optimize your blog post's template in order to maximize conversions. A topic we spend a lot of time talking about on this channel is optimizations. From CRO, conversion rate optimization, to different efforts in growth marketing, in your campaigns, in your self-serve movement and funnels, in your PLG. And it's really important this day and age where every dollar counts to maximize your growth efforts. Now, keep in mind that the traffic coming into your blog is some of the most high quality traffic you can get. This is organic traffic coming in from search engines, and these are folks that have explicit intent or some sort of need and desire for your product or service. So it really means a lot when you capture that type of traffic to the maximum. So number one, take your menu and your CTAs, the call to actions, and make them sticky. Meaning make sure they're prominent and stay in place as the user scrolls down on your blog posts. The reason that it matters so much is that a sticky CTA actually ensures that the visitor can easily access the buttons wherever they are on a page. Number two is all about the content itself and how to make it more approachable, easier to digest. Now, a lot of companies this day and age actually use what's known as content highlights. They put a widget on their blog post and they add highlights and key takeaways from the blog post. This embedded with relevant CTAs such as try for free or a related ebook or a white paper. These may sound trivial, but are again providing a significantly better experience as a blog reader, and on the other hand, making it so much easier for your potential customers to actually get more information, find out about you, start exploring your product and whatnot. Now, the beauty of this technique is that offering such CTAs early in the blog post content can actually catch visitors' attention right away and right where you want them to, increasing the likelihood of a conversion. Number three, mid-scroll conversion prompts. Now, what does that mean? Well, in short, it is a trigger to basically prompt some sort of pop-up, some sort of sticky bar with relevant CTAs once your reader scrolled past a certain percentage of the article. Now, why is this going to work? Well, this strategy, as seen by some incredible companies like the folks from Monday.com, Wiz, Papaya Global, and others, provides a gentle but effective reminder that at the right moment, without overwhelming the reader, you have a chance to explore more information, to try out the product, to read a relevant ebook, etc. Now, some may look at this technique as a bit too aggressive, but using it wisely and subtly can really boost your conversions, especially if you fit the message to the content and to the intent of the reader. Number four, footer widgets and tailored CTAs. So, as your visitors reach the end of the post, I would add a widget prompting your product or relevant feature related to the blog post that they just read, and have some sort of offer that relates to the content. For example, Wiz, the cybersecurity company, amazing company, has testimonial widgets, again prompting you to get a demo. So this could really be effective in driving user engagements, reduce friction. Now, pro tip, I would also add some sort of personalized widgets at the bottom of the blog post. So the footer is really a strategic place worth investing, because the type of traffic, the type of audience that actually gets all the way down and reaches to the very end of the blog post will likely be high quality and relevant traffic. So it's really not worth missing out on these. So to recap, blog posts, despite having some sort of sketchy reputation as conversion tools, can really be a place that you can harness and sort of cater high quality traffic oriented towards conversion, mainly organic traffic. One of the best things you can do is really build a template that's more conversion oriented, as we've just seen, and that would, on the one hand, encourage your readers to continue reading and spend more time on that page, and on the other hand, from your perspective, it's going to remove friction and make the experience better for your audience. These tactics that we just reviewed can really improve your blog post's conversion rate. If you like my videos, like, share, and subscribe for more.